Hello woodworkers and DIY lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon you'll actually use. From precision measuring tools and unique clamps to clever jigs, saw guides, and shop essentials, these tools aren't just cool, they're practical game changers for your workshop. Stick around, because tool number 12 will completely change the way you build. Without further ado, let's dive in. When working with woodworking projects, applying precise pressure on edges or surfaces is crucial for achieving strong and durable bonds. The Wolfcraft edge clamps are innovative accessories designed to extend the application range of bar clamps with a maximum 8x30mm bar, delivering up to 30 kilograms of clamping force. They ensure high concentrated contact pressure for secure bonded joints. Compatible with all bar clamps, including one-hand and screw clamps, they allow effortless fastening of edging strips, veneers, and even point clamping on profiles such as cupboard doors. Compact, versatile, and reliable, the Wolfcraft Edge clamps make every clamping job more efficient and precise. Accurate cutting is essential for woodworking projects, whether you are crafting furniture or tackling DIY tasks. The going-make table saw miter gauge is designed to deliver precision and stability, making crosscuts and miter cuts effortless. With its precision micro-adjustable flip stop and extendable fence, it ensures accurate measurements and repeatable cuts. The quick angle stop and fast zero calibration feature allow for rapid setup, saving time while maintaining accuracy. Supporting both square and angled workpieces, it offers secure positioning with its stable locking system. The miter bar fits most table saws with smooth, adjustable sliding, preventing kickback and ensuring safe, reliable woodworking performance every time. Accurate measurements are the foundation of professional woodworking and precise setups. The POWERTEC measuring gauge is a versatile 5-in-1 tool designed to handle multiple functions with high precision and repeatable results. Ideal for setting table saw blade heights or router bit depths. It also determines drill bit and countersink angles, checks chisel angles, and measures the depth of dados or drilled holes with its innovative caliper concept. Router bit depths can be set in 3 different ways, while table saw blades and dados are quickly adjusted using preset center gauges. Built with a rigid, durable design and laser-engraved dual-metric imperial scales, it delivers long-term accuracy and reliability in any workshop. Achieving smooth, accurate rebates is essential for high-quality woodworking projects. The UJK Rebate Cutter is a British-made, innovative tool engineered to deliver precision, durability, and professional results. Designed specifically for use with router tables, it creates both straight and curved rebates with ease. Its unique 3-wing design, featuring solid carbide and double-edged replaceable blades, provides clean, glass-like finishes while reducing downtime for sharpening. Built from stainless steel, it resists corrosion and ensures long-term reliability. Featuring groundbreaking internal bearing technology, it runs with superior balance and protection from dust and debris, extending cutter life. Available in 1/2-inch and 12mm shanks, metric and imperial, and supplied with UJK orange metric depth discs. Securing small parts during repair, crafting, or assembly requires a reliable and versatile holding solution. The BESSEY portable Mini-Vise clamp is designed to offer both stability and flexibility in various applications. Featuring guide rods, the Mini-Vise S10 is perfect for parallel clamping, ensuring firm and precise holds. Without guide rods, it allows clamping at an angle of up to 25 degrees, making it adaptable for more complex tasks. This tool is easily mounted with 2 clips for quick attachment to a table edge, providing convenience and portability. Lightweight yet sturdy, it includes 2 table clamps, making setup fast, secure, and efficient for any workspace. Detecting moisture levels accurately is essential for woodworking, construction, and home maintenance to prevent costly damage. The TESMEN moisture meter is a pin-type humidity tester with 2 modes and 7 calibration scales, making it versatile for wood, firewood, lumber, bricks, floors, and walls. Its pocket-sized, pen-shaped design ensures portability and convenience for on-the-go use. Equipped with 2 high-precision pins, it delivers quick and accurate readings, covering a range from 0.0% to 58%. The 3-color screen provides clear moisture indication, while the data hold function ensures reliable records. Energy-saving features like auto power off and a low battery indicator enhance efficiency and usability. For woodworking and carving projects, achieving precision and smooth finishes without damaging the material is crucial. The Arbortech Turbo Scraper is a turbocharged upgrade to the traditional hand scraper, engineered for superior control and accuracy. Its cutting-edge design cuts on a negative angle, reducing tear-out and chipping while ensuring a smooth, scratch-free finish. Made from durable forged aluminum with replaceable tungsten carbide teeth, it provides long-lasting performance and easy maintenance since teeth can be rotated or replaced without changing the disc. The unique design allows real-time visibility as you carve, making it perfect for detailed work. Compatible with the power carving unit or any 4 1/2 inches or 5-inch grinder. Creating strong hidden joints quickly and accurately is essential for quality woodworking and joinery projects. The UJK Pocket Hole Jig makes joinery fast, clean, and easy, opening up endless possibilities for furniture making, kitchen fitting, frames, and carcasses. Designed for timber thicknesses between 13 to 36 millimeters, it features clear metric scales for precision and all metal parts for durability with no flex. Self-tapping screws eliminate the need to pre-drill the mating workpiece, ensuring perfect joints while avoiding alignment problems. Supplied with an M2 spiral drill bit, collar, and a long-reach Torx T20 screwdriver bit, this jig offers strength, reliability, and the option of portability with additional accessories. A well-designed router table is essential for precision, safety, and efficiency in woodworking projects. The CraftPro router table is an ideal choice for craftsmen and woodworking enthusiasts, offering versatility and accuracy. It supports popular routers and is suitable for edge molding, grooving, stop molding, curved routing, and edge planing. The rigid frame with laminated MDF surface is quick to assemble, while adjustable feet ensure stability on uneven floors. Its aluminum insert plate features magnetic leveling, interchangeable aperture rings, and compatibility with trend routers. A back fence with sliding cheeks, a dust extraction spout, and safety accessories like a push stick ensure smooth, safe, and accurate cutting performance. Tough drilling demands a tool that cuts faster, lasts longer, and handles obstacles without slowing you down. The IRWIN SPEEDBOR Supreme Auger is built for job site royalty, engineered to power through nail-embedded wood with ease. Its durable cutting edges and aggressive screw tips deliver clean, efficient drilling while lasting up to 3 times longer than standard bits. Designed for demanding professionals, this auger provides unmatched strength, speed, and reliability in every use. Whether tackling heavy-duty construction, framing, or woodworking, it ensures consistent performance that saves both time and effort. With this bit, you truly reign supreme over every drilling challenge. Precision woodworking requires cutters that deliver clean, accurate, and versatile results for every project. The CraftPro router cutter bits combine advanced trend tool technology with expert jointing applications, offering unmatched adaptability for commercial trade jigs, letter templating, bearing-guided profile work, and classic jointing tasks. Featuring premium tungsten carbide cutting edges, these bits excel in solid timbers and abrasive materials like chipboard, plywood, and MDF. Twin carbide flutes ensure faster cutting, superior chip clearance, and a cleaner finish, while PTFE-coated bodies reduce heat and friction. Specialized cutters including undercut bevels, 45-degree insulated panel cutters, trimmers, and rebate cutters maximize precision, versatility, and professional results in every woodworking application. Accurate measurement and alignment are essential for professional and DIY projects. The KAPRO Pro All-in-One Kit is a versatile, comprehensive set designed to elevate precision and efficiency. Housed in a compact hard case, it includes the 842-gram Green Cross laser with plus or minus 3 degrees self-leveling and a 15-meter range, the 771mm 15cm level with magnified vial and magnetic V-groove base, the 309mm 30cm square with support ledge and angle markings, and the 509mm 5-meter measuring tape. Additional tools include an 18mm rebound cutting knife, magnetic flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, a flex laser tripod, 2 AA laser batteries, and a ball pen. Perfect for any DIY or professional task, this kit ensures accuracy, convenience, and versatility. Precise and secure clamping is essential for woodworking and small assembly tasks. The WORKPRO mini-bar clamps are 6-inch, one-handed clamps designed for light-duty applications with a 50-pound load limit. Featuring a screw release button, each clamp doubles as a spreader, allowing versatile use by simply reversing the screw. The quick-release latch ensures fast adjustments or removal in seconds. Larger non-marring pads provide a balanced parallel clamping force while protecting the workpiece from scratches. Built with solid, defined rail construction, these lightweight yet sturdy clamps hold pressure effectively for extended periods, making them ideal for woodworking, crafts, or detailed assembly projects. Accurate measurements and precise angle marking are essential for woodworking and DIY projects. The Gohelper Angle Measuring Ruler is a 3D multi-angle measuring tool crafted from CNC machined anodized aluminum alloy, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting accuracy. It's a 0 to 90 degrees protractor, combined with a 5-inch riser and a 4.2-inch foot that allows effortless scribing of vertical lines and precise 90-degree cuts. Parallel line scribing is simplified with holes marked from 1/16 inch to 4 inches, ideal for tenon and mortise joints. Included a 0.7mm mechanical pencil and a quick angle pin to enhance usability. Laser-etched scales offer clear, glare-free readings, making them perfect for measuring, marking, and calibrating in woodworking. Achieving a smooth professional finish is essential for any woodworking project. The Jet Drum Sander is engineered to deliver precision and efficiency with its unique pull-through conveyor design that simplifies operation. Its die-cast carriage provides robust support for demanding projects, while the 20-inch by 37-inch stand adds stability and includes a convenient storage shelf. Smart technology continuously monitors drum motor load, maintaining maximum feed rates without overloading. Tool-free table parallelism adjustment allows quick, accurate setup, and the heavy-duty molded dust hood extracts 97% of dust for a cleaner work environment. Quick change abrasives and precise 1/16-inch drum height adjustments ensure superior finishing results. Achieving clean and durable floor joints requires stability and precision during the welding process. The Leister Easy Floor Blower Holder provides a stable, precise hot air blower guide, ensuring a safe welding position when joint closing. Designed to hold all Leister hot air hand blowers within the Triac product line, it simplifies the easy closing of resilient floor coverings such as PVC, linoleum, and rubber. Its adjustable angle guarantees constant preheating, delivering consistent weld quality. Supporting fatigue-free operation, it allows professionals and beginners alike to perform manual joint welding effortlessly. With the Easy Floor Holder, users achieve safe positioning, enhanced control, and superior welding results across various flooring applications. Getting precise angles in woodworking beyond the usual 45 degrees is often frustrating and time-consuming. The Woodpeckers Poly-Gauge SS eliminates guesswork by providing an exact physical reference for machinery setup. Crafted from a single piece of high-quality stainless steel, this tool features 5 precision-milled angles commonly needed in woodworking. Its magnetic knob doubles as a stand, allowing accurate adjustments on a table saw, joiner, or miter gauge. The raised base design prevents interference from inserts or rounded edges, ensuring flawless alignment. With the Poly-Gauge SS, woodworkers can achieve perfect blade and miter settings quickly and reliably. It is used for accurate angle setup in woodworking machines. Precision, reliability, and safety are crucial when working with plastics on demanding projects. The Leister hot air tools, especially the Triac AT, are designed for construction site use, offering professionals an intelligent heat gun solution. The E-Drive control unit allows independent regulation of temperature from 40 to 620 degrees Celsius and airflow, displayed on a clear digital screen. Features like cool-down function, restart protection, and configurable eco mode ensure safety, efficiency, and extended tool life. A voltage level indicator provides added reliability, while the slim, ergonomic design makes operation in tight spaces effortless. These hot air tools are used for welding and molding plastics, delivering professional results in any environment. Securing workpieces firmly and safely during projects is essential for accuracy and efficiency. The Wolfcraft Clamping Table Accessory Set provides an 8-piece solution designed for 20mm bore clamping tables, expanding versatility for countless tasks. It includes 4 clamping jaws with extra-large 42mm contact surfaces and rest tips for fastening, supporting, and even painting. The 2 quick clamps, built with durable aluminum, allow fast and reliable mounting for workpieces up to 35mm. To protect both workpieces and the tabletop, 2 protective jaws ensure stability while preventing damage. Compatible with Wolfcraft Master Series and all 20mm bore tables, this set is used for flexible clamping, painting, and securing round or flat materials. Precision and strength are vital when creating durable wood joints. The Bosch Professional Biscuit Joiner offers GFF 22A, delivering expert accuracy with its smooth plunge-in function and robust metal angle guides. Offering a multitude of precise angle settings and depth adjustments, it ensures versatile performance for a wide range of joints. Its powerful 670-watt motor provides optimum rooting power, while constant speed and spindle lock add reliability and ease of use. Compatible with dust bags, blade cutters, attachment plates, and the Bosch Click and Clean system, it supports a clean and efficient workflow. This tool is used for rooting, jointing, and sawing in wood, plastic, and plywood. And that wraps up our list of the 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon you'll actually use. Tell me in the comments, which tool do you want to add to your shop first? If you discover something new, hit that like button, share this video with your woodworking buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tools, DIY gadgets, and Amazon must-haves every week. Keep building smarter, and I'll catch you in the next one.